Today I'm taking a look at the USB 3.0 Capture HDMI 4K Plus video capture card. That's nice. Okay. So if nothing else, I can definitely say I really like the look of this video capture card. They make these things look nice. So we got HDMI in and HDMI out. That's very important because this is going to allow you to pass through the HDMI signal. That way we can get from our computer or our console or whatever going in, and then that signal going directly back out. That way there is no lag and no loss going on. Then we got our USB 3.0 port and our DC 5 volt. So this is going to provide the power, and this is going to connect to our computer. And then on the front, we've got our light bar to let us know that it's on. We got our headphone jack and we got our mic jack. So we can connect and record even things that aren't going on directly in the computer. So that's very nice. It says warm reminder, this thing can get hot, so don't worry about that if it gets hot. That's not a surprise. Video capture cards, if they're running at 4K, there's a lot of processing going on, this thing can get hot. But yeah, I love that aluminum look. So we got our HDMI to HDMI, we've got USB-A to USB-A, and we got USB-C to USB-A. So this is going to provide power, this is going to provide video and audio, and then this is going to connect to our computer. Okay, so I got the HDMI plugged into this computer, and this is going to be my primary computer. This is going to be where I'm going to be doing my gaming. So I'm going to plug that into the HDMI in, then I'm going to plug in my power, and I'll plug that in right here. And then my output is going to go right here. Okay, so now if I add a scene in OBS, I'm going to video capture device, and I'm selecting USB 3.0 4K video. And there we go. Now it is definitely 4K because this made it way too big. But we can always shrink that down to fit. And there we go. So now, if I mess around on here, we can see the same thing happening on the other screen. Cool. And there's also not very much lag. So that's good. So if I really needed to, I could use this screen to play on, but the way I'm going to be doing this is I'm going to be using this to play. I'm going to be able to use all the resources of this computer just for doing the gaming, and then I'm going to use this to do the recording and the streaming, talking to chat, anything like that. So that will dedicate all of the horsepower of this computer just for that, and then I can use this entirely for gaming and make that experience much better. So overall, that is an awesome little capture card. Oh, look at that. The lights on are pretty cool too.